Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we talk about accident attorney near me, your trusted car accident attorney in the USA. Let's move on. Introduction, our law firm. We are a team of experienced attorneys dedicated to providing trusted legal help to those who have been injured in car accident. Contact us today. Car accidents are common occurrences on the roads of the United States, resulting in numerous injuries, property damage, and even fatalities. When your loved ones suffer from the consequences of a car accident caused by someone else's negligence, it is essential to seek legal assistance to safeguard your rights and pursue fair compensation. How to find an accident attorney near me? This is a very important thing to find a very good attorney. The first step in finding an accident attorney near you is to conduct thorough research. Start by searching online for accident attorney near me or car accident lawyer near me in USA. This will provide you with the list of attorneys in your local areas who specialize in a car accident cases. Make sure to consider the proximity of the attorney office to your location, as this will make it easier for you to meet the communicate with team. Once you have compiled a list of potential accident attorney near you, it is a time to evaluate their credentials and expertise. Looks for attorney who have a specific focus on personal injury law and more specifically car accident. Check their websites, online reviews, and testimonial to get sense of their reputation and track record. In handling car accident cases, it is essential to choose an attorney with a successful history of obtaining favorable settlement or verdict for their clients. Our experienced accident attorney are here to help you to get compensation you deserve. We offer a free consultation and work on contingency free basis. In addition to experience, the attorney communicate style, approachability are essential. You need to an attorney who will listen to your concern, answer your question, and keep you informed about the progress of your case. During the consultation, you pay attention to how well the attorney communicate and whether you feel comfortable discussing sensitive detail with them. Our experienced accident attorney will guide you through the legal process, fight for your rights, and help you to get compensation you deserve. What to do after a car accident? First of all, you need to do after a car accident: prioritize safety, call 911, exchange information, documentation, and the scene, and contact an experienced car accident attorney. Contact us. We are here to help you. If you need a car attorney or a car accident lawyer near you, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Contact us today. Lastly, trust your instincts when you choosing an accident attorney near you. Select someone who genuinely cares about your well-being and demonstrates a genuine commitment or fighting for your rights. Remember that this person will be your advocate throughout the legal process, so it is essential to establish a rapport or feel confident in their abilities. Thank you for concentration for their firm or legal needs. We are here to help them navigate through their difficult times. In conclusion, in the end, if you find yourself in a need of an accident attorney near you in the USA following a car accident, conducting thorough research, evaluating credential and experience, and considering communication style and approachability are crucial steps to find the right legal representation. By choosing a skilled and experienced car accident attorney near you, you can increase your chances of receiving their compensation and successfully navigating the complex legal system. Remember, time is the essence, so don't delay in seeking legal assistance after a car accident. Hope you like our video. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel. See you next. Bye bye.